Okay, this is my first scrub review, I guess, because I'm a nurse. Um, so this is my scrub review of scrubs that I use. This is the Cherokee workwear, and it has some stretch in it. I'll post the details about it in the box below. So I got it a little bit bigger in XL, even though I can fit a L, because let me just step on this tool to show it. Because it has two pockets, which I need to put flushes and tube flushes and syringes. I do home care pediatrics, so I do a lot of tube feeds. So tube feed cans, syringes, flushes, things like that. And I put some gauze in here sometimes too. So it helps to have these pockets in my shirt. And I move around a lot, so it helps that it moves with me. It's kind of stiff, but it moves more than my Dickies scrubs. I'll show my Dickies scrubs too. Let me show you that. So this is my Dickies scrubs right here. The sleeve is kind of shorter, so I had to modify the sleeve with this extra stretchy material that I sewed in on both sides, so it doesn't wrap around the arm. The arm can still move freely, because if you got some guns and you're a nurse, most scrub tops, if you fit it to size, it will wrap around your arm and become too tight, and that's kind of uncomfortable at work. So I made it better, gave it some stretch. These also have the pockets. Let me just put it on to see what it looks like. This one is a cotton polyester blend, and it's pretty comfortable. I don't work in AC, so it is breathable enough. Yeah, I just turn on the fan because I do home care for kids, pediatric home care. So because I got some guns, this scrub was super tight on the arm. So I made it bigger with these gussets that are stretchy. Yeah, because this is just cotton polyester. It doesn't really stretch. Yeah, and it doesn't really breathe, so sometimes it gets kind of hot. Yeah, but it's comfortable. It's from Dickies. I like it, and they were cheap, like $12 a top. I got them a couple years ago. I got like 5 different colors, so I always switch them out. And they have deep enough waist pockets, no chest pocket, but it's comfortable. And it's not too baggy. Yeah, so that is my favorite top. it is yeah, that's my scrub top, my other scrub top. So the first one was Cherokee. Um, the Cherokee brand is cotton, polyester, and 3% spandex. So it has some stretch, very little, but it's mostly stiff. They almost feel identical, even though the Cherokee was a couple dollars more. So, which leads me to my favorite scrub top, or scrubs top. So today I just got this scrub top from Carhartt.com. Carhartt makes men's and women's workwear. They make workwear basically, and they started making scrubs. And this is the top. It's a modern fit Carhartt Force, and the material is very flexible or stretchy. It's moisture wicking, which I like, and it says stretches and moves with you. So yeah, let me try it on and see how it goes. The back has these gussets for ventilation at the back, kind of like a fly fishing shirt, but this is the green version, and already I can tell it's super comfortable. It has waist pockets, but they're at the side like a jacket, and they're pretty deep, so you could definitely fit a tube feed or a can of soup in here. Yeah, so the pockets are different but comfortable. And there's a chest pocket, and it has a pen pocket, and it has a divider for another pocket, and it has a sleeve pocket. It's super comfortable. Yeah, so if you're a big guy or bigger nurse, this is the scrub top to get. It really moves with me. I got it in another color too, a light gray. I got the lightest colors because I walk my patient with his wheelchair in the neighborhood, so dark colors aren't good for traffic. Yeah, light colors is the way to go, and they're kind of lighter in the sun when I go walking. And it's breathable. Here's the back, what the back pants look like. So the backs have some vents like a fly fishing shirt, and it's super comfortable. It does move with me, so very comfortable. This is my new favorite scrub top. I'll show you the gray one as well. Came in a bag today. 2-day airmail to Hawaii. and it delivered via UPS, the brown truck. So when you just unbag this, there it is. Has a Forest logo on the side, and the chest pocket says Carhartt, which is nice. And it says Carhartt Force, and it's very breathable. Let me see the specs for the material. It says 94 polyester, 6% spandex. Is it stretchy? Let's see. Yes, it is. It is. So, if you move a lot and you're a nurse, which I think you are if you're watching this, get this. It is super comfortable. So, Carhartt winning at getting this. For your size, I would say same thing as other scrub tops. If you're not super big or a big guy with more heft, then size down. I think they offer free returns, so returns work too, but these are so comfortable. Forget that other brand that has bad stuff to say about DO doctors. FIS. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm gonna order 2 more pairs because these are the bomb. I'm gonna get 2 more of these, and they come in 4 different colors. It is a win, and right now they're on sale, so check it out.